Hey BZB TV fans, my name is Matt Richards. We're back here in the BZBGEAR booth at ISE 2025. Pardon my voice, it's been a little bit hoarse, but I'm trying to keep it low so I don't kill it too much. Anyways, that's not the point of the video. We're here at the big rack and we want to talk about the BG VP 99 Pro as well as the BG 4K VP 88. The reason why we're talking about these two units is because our VP lineup is quite special on the market. As far as I know, there's not too many other companies that are even thinking about doing this, but these are our Swiss Army knives of the AV world. These units do video wall production, they will do multi-viewing as well as matrix switching. So all three in one. These will do 4K at 60 hertz. You have anything up from a 4x4 all the way to a 16x16 right now. And the really special thing about the VP99 and the Pro specifically, and the Pro models, is that they allow you to do extension. So you can run extensions over cat cable to receivers with these, so great units. We're really excited about them. They are just absolutely worth the price. If you're in the market for something that can do all of the above in one box, you're going to want to check into our VP series. Go ahead and check out the website, bzbgear.com. We'd love to get in contact with you, and have a great day.